Can you say hi to Aunt Stacy? Can you say hi? Say hi, Aunt Stacy. Say hi, Dace. Say hi, can you wave? Give her knocks. Give her knocks. Knocks. Knocks, Daisy. Knocks. Say hi, Dace. Hi, Daisy. Give her knocks. Knocks. Give her knocks. Say I love you, Daisy. Give her knocks. Knocks. Say hi. Hi. Hi, Daisy. Yeah, you're eating toast? Yeah. Oh, did you hear the sound? Give her knocks. Say bye, Aunt Daisy. Say bye, Dace. Hey. Say bye, Daisy. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say I'm eating my toast. Bye-bye. Give me knocks. Give me knocks. Give me knocks. Oh, you got it. Say bye-bye. What's that hair doing? Say bye-bye. Bye, Daisy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, what was that? Give me knocks. Give me knocks. Give me knocks. Give me knocks. Oh, thanks.